There's a number of videos on YouTube showing how to put up some kind of a netting in your backyard without using the guy wires. And that's what I did here. I got the 2 poles that stick in the ground, and I can stretch the netting across and clip it in at various heights depending on whether I want to do volleyball or badminton. But what was done here, I augered out a hole, and then I tapped in a piece of 1.5-inch black pipe, which you can just barely see below there. And inside that pipe, this metal is 1.5-inch outside, and it slides down into there. And I've got the whole thing set below the ground so that when I cut the grass, I won't hit it once I remove the pipe. I will remove this pipe and show you a bit closer what I've done to the top of the black plastic pipe. Okay, so there's the black plastic pipe. When I said I tapped it into the ground, I did tap it into the ground and put a stick in there to keep it level, and I poured concrete around it. So this pipe is permanently secured in there. And when I want to cap it off, I just have this fitting with an iron cap on it. It just fits over the top, keeps dirt from falling down inside. And I can find this now with a metal detector when I want to, because this is going to be covered over with dirt and grass, and I can find it with the metal detector and then cut it away. This pipe itself, I put this other plastic fitting on it with this kind of, I don't know what you'd call it, a pressure collar. So I can loosen this off and slide it up or down to change the height of the pipe that sticks up out of the ground, so it becomes somewhat more adjustable. So that's my job.